channel. So in my today's video, I have collaborated with my designer friend Tanya Anand from Paisley Pop Shop and to create a video and share with you what kind of jewelry should you pack for the destination wedding. Okay, so the first piece that I think every woman should keep in her wardrobe is a beautiful handcrafted matha patti. And do not just limit its usage to a lehenga. Wear it with a sari, wear it with a nice, beautiful, simple looking suit, and you will have the perfect destination wedding ready outfit with you. As part of my jewelry haul, the second must recommended jewelry piece that you must add to your wardrobe are these hand painted beautiful jhumkis. These hand painted earrings in pink and blue combination with these nice hues of yellow, mustard and greens are perfect to go with all the Indian outfits. For those of you who aren't very confident of wearing a matha patti, well, here's the solution. This beautiful Mangtika in emerald and polki look-alike cut. It's very delicate yet has an understated elegance. No wedding is ever complete without you sporting some Gota love. This beautiful Gota choker is perfect for those light pastel colored outfits and lehengas. It also comes with these beautiful statement earrings, and as I said, I think it can be a great option to gift it as a mehendi favor in your wedding without being biased. For those who really love the bling, these are the kind of earrings that you must add in your wardrobe. Wear these with lehenga, with sari. No need to add any other jewelry because these statement earrings are enough to make the right impact that you want to. And for those haldi daytime ceremonies, I think you can shy away from wearing a lot of colors and blings, or maybe opt for the oxidized silver jewelry. These silver colored earrings have such nice details in these semi-precious stones. With this, maybe you can add a layer of necklace, something that's inspired by the temple jewelry. You have these beautiful Ganeshjis in leaf pattern and emerald strings to wear it on your neck. There is another head jewelry that I think you must consider adding in your vanity box. It's this pasa. They look really nice, especially if you have the Sufi theme knives, if you're wearing shararas or gararas. Another must recommended pieces that you must carry are the Swarovski jewelry. So here's the ring that I'm wearing. I love this kind of jewelry for it is classy and it's super safe to carry. Keep your diamonds etc. at home because when you're traveling, you're not sure of where and how to manage and keep your jewelry. Instead, you can opt for designer or Swarovski crystal. There's this one department that women don't generally experiment with, and that's nose rings. These really cute Marathi nuts are for everyone. They go with all styles, saris, suits. Also, you can shop for entire collection on Paisley Pop Shop's Instagram page. You can also look up for them on Facebook and you'll find the brand. Now for the exciting part, I have collaborated with Paisley Pop to host a giveaway for you guys because I know there is no such thing as too much jewelry. Win this Gota set along with another pair of earrings. Go on to your Instagram, follow Paisley Pop Shop. I'm going to link it in the description box below. Make sure that you're also following Guilty Bites and your profiles are public. Come back and drop a comment under this video and tell us one thing that you really love about Tanya's collection. One lucky subscriber will win the goodie box. So guys, get going, make sure you enter, like, comment and subscribe. See you guys until next time.